Hi guys, Ronnie here. Today I'll be working on this nice fire-truck red Canyon Aeroad, and it's in for a complete service to be ready for the next season. As many bikes that come here, it was a bit neglected as well, so I will need to do a very thorough job on it. The chain was seriously mucky and dirty. Same for the chain rings and the cassette, which I have already cleaned. As you can see, the bike itself is a bit dirty, so washing it wouldn't be too much of a nice experience in the 2 degrees that we have today, but never mind that. I will also change the brake cables. They feel a little bit rough. I will need to cut the steerer, change the bar tape, change the bottom bracket for a nice Kogel unit, because this one is getting a little bit creaky, and the mechanic that set up the eTap grip set previously didn't set the front derailleur right, so after everything is clean I need to have a look on that. Yeah, here's the cassette. I've already cleaned that in the ultrasonic, so that one's nice. The chain is having a bit of a soak in the creaser, so that's going to be ready later on. Yeah, the rear wheel also needs some attention, regreasing the bearings, and yeah, the free hub, it's not too bad, but it has been fitted without any grease or anything, so it was a bit corroded. I already cleaned most of that off, but luckily there's no heavy notching on there. Okay, so now we're at the finishing straight with the Canyon as well. The items that I needed for it have just arrived, so that's a Kogel bottom bracket, road version, road seals. I'm going to press that in a minute. Then a nice new red 22 box chain, and finally a set of blips and some new bar tape to top it off. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, the Canyon is now shined up and ready to race. It's got the gears perfectly set up, nice Vox chain, bottom bracket is on point, bar tape, everything is tightened up, fiber grip where it needs to be, grease, protective grease where it needs to be. I've checked the tires as well, and everything seems to be alright. I've set up the brakes. Unfortunately, they've lost the adjuster for the rear brake, so it can't be properly adjusted. The front one is pretty good, so yeah, all that's left now is to ride this thing again. Okay, so if you'd like to see more of my service videos or some of the complete bike builds that I've done, then don't forget to tune into the channel and subscribe. It's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.